In this video, I am going to walk you through FoodDocs, a food safety management tool that helps businesses stay compliant with food safety standards. Whether you run a restaurant, catering service, or food production business, FoodDocs automates the process of managing safety plans and monitoring compliance to make it easy for you to meet regulatory requirements. So by the end of this video, you'll understand how to set up FoodDocs, create a food safety plan, and streamline your compliance effort efficiently. So first, what is FoodDocs? So FoodDocs is an AI-powered food safety management system that simplifies compliance with food safety regulations such as HACCP or hazard analysis and critical control points. It's designed to help food businesses manage critical safety tasks such as temperature monitoring, staff training, and documentation with minimal manual effort. With automated reminders, digital checklists, and real-time monitoring, FoodDocs ensures businesses stay compliant and avoid risks. It's suitable for restaurants, food processing facilities, supermarkets, and catering companies. So now let's move on the dashboard of FoodDocs. So when you just created an account, you will now be redirected to FoodDocs dashboard, where you will be welcomed like this. So first you need to answer this. How many checklists do you use daily? So I'm just going to select none. I'm just starting my business. And now let's go to overview. So this dashboard gives an overview of the food safety status of your whole company. So the status of all your units or departments is presented as green for complete, yellow for pending, and red for incomplete. So this feature helps save your time on supervision. So as you can see right now, this is my first company and it's still set to 7%. So it means that we haven't undergo any procedure or it's still incomplete. So now what we want to do next is head over to the next feature, which is the HACCP plan. So as you can see right here, this is the HACCP plan builder. So we just need to answer all of these questions, follow each step, and let the software automatically generate our customizable HACCP plan template. So now what you want to do is simply click on all of this. So first, right here on general info, we want to fill up all of this information right here, such as our company name, registration number, our address, the business unit. So just fill this all up, click save. And next is the work group. So from here, as you can see, you will see all of this information, such as overall responsible person for food safety plan. So you can assign the person right here, and we can check this option, which says same person is responsible for everything. And now just fill up all of this. Who is the person or the role responsible for food safety plan updates, the daily health check, so the required sections are those with the asterisk sign. But of course, you can always answer all of these questions also. So when you're done, just click on save. Next is the process steps. So here are the process steps of your business. So do you hunt, fish, raise animals? Does it include killing animals? You can turn on this if it's a yes. If you're picking herbal products, purchase of products. So is the storing products, is it chilled, frozen, or room temped? Just select all of this based on what your company or business is doing. So you'll see all of these options right here, such as baking, roasting, cooling, deep freezing, curing, temporary storage. You can select all of this right here. So when you're all done, just scroll to the very bottom and click on save. Next is the produced, served, or sold food. You can also select food that you're using right here. As you can see, we have salads, snacks, sushi, soups. Let's just say this is like this, side dishes, meat dishes. And when you're done, click on save. And as you can see, while we're continuing on the process, this green bar is almost fully green. So when this green bar is fully green and it reaches the end, you can now create your HACC plan, which is created for you or automatically generated for you by FoodDocs. So just follow all of the steps. So let's say ingredients. So you can select this right here. You can choose all and click on save. As you can see, it's moving until you reach the end. So just follow all of this. Just complete all of the required steps right here and to create your HACC plan. So now I'm just going to walk you through the other features of FoodDocs. So now let's go to monitoring. So from here, you can monitor your food safety system. So it's still incomplete. So what you want to do again is complete all of these tasks. Let's say the monitoring task. You can select all of this and click on done in the top right. The users, so you need to assign your team members. Click on done. And now you want to download the FoodDocs app. So when you're done, you can now create your food safety system. So just click on create. And as you can see, you'll now have this graphs and charts right here or your for your food safety system. So from here, you can monitor all of your systems, such as this laboratory analysis, the maintenance, fridge temperature log, and so on. Next is traceability. So from here, you will see all of your products. So this is like your inventory. Next is audits. We can manage all completed audits through this logbook. So you can also use their template or create a new one according to your needs. Next is team. So you can invite your team members right here. So just click on new team member, add their name, their position, their role, their personal identification code, their phone number, and all of these documents if you want to upload this. You can also give this person access to FoodDocs. So when you're done, just click on save. Next is file storage. So all of your files or documents will be shown right here. And last is setup. You can simply set up all of the needed equipment, rooms, monitoring tasks, pause monitoring, and the app right here. So that's basically how FoodDocs works and all of its features. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.